Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show you my OBS running in a Hyprland Scratchpad, which is pretty cool because I was like running OBS and it dwindles, you know, with the other windows. I don't really want to see it. I just want to get it, press record and then get it out of there because it's working on my nerves. So yeah, let me just show you. Control, Super and O. And here it is, you little bugger. So now I can just press record and get it out of here. And it keeps recording because it's not killing it. It just sits off screen as a scratch pad. So let's check what I did. What did I do? So obviously you want to have a bind key. So obviously bind super O, whatever key you want to choose, exact. And then the path. Now you obviously have to create a script. I just created the script in config hyper and then scripts OBS Scratchpad.sh. This is the little script that will actually check, is it running? If it's not running, start it. If it's running, bring it out to the screen. And then obviously this is a toggle, so if you press it again, it will go away. Yeah, Hyprland dispatch toggle special workspace OBS. So yeah, it's very just a little thing. So Scratchpad, if I start up my boot up my machine, it doesn't start OBS like my other Scratchpads. So I have my Note Scratchpad. This starts up when the machine starts, so that it's ready to go. Same with just a terminal that I have in a Scratchpad. Terminal and then OBS, but OBS doesn't start. I actually started as soon as I press the bind key. It actually checks, is it started, not started. If it started, bring it out. Good times. And then it actually does it kill it? Yeah, I should actually kill it softly, because if I shut down my system, it just kills OBS and it doesn't like that. I'm sure I put that in, but it doesn't look like it now. Anyway, let's look at how to get the Scratchpad up and running. So that will be in the Windows rules. So OBS Scratchpad slides from right. So it's just a window rule. I mean, everybody knows Windows rules. Name, and then it floats. Very important that it floats, otherwise it will dwindle. If it's fine if you want it to dwindle, but it should float. Anyway, that's OBS for you. So nice. You can't move it around. So say I want to have it right there, then have it right there. So it's cool. Yeah, that's it. Good